In this video, I'm gonna be walking through can you change WhatsApp notification sound on iPhone? So I'm going to opening my WhatsApp application and tapping on settings. Now tapping on notifications, tapping on sound, and now from here I can easily change my WhatsApp notification sound. Tapping on save. So this was the message notification, and if you want to change group message notification, you can also tap on this sound to change group message notification. And as you can see, here is no option to change WhatsApp call notification. In order to change your WhatsApp call notification, you have to change your iPhone default sound or ringtone. To do that, go to your iPhone settings and tap on sounds and haptics, tap on ringtone, and now from here you can select any ringtone for your WhatsApp call. And note one thing, that if you change notification from here, it will change your default iPhone ringtone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minutes Solution. See you in the next video.